So hi guys, today I'm going to filming myself with help of sunlight. So as my key light right now, you can see. So I am filming myself with the Sony ZV E10 right now, and with kit lens. So if you are using kit lens as a main lens, so you can use direct sunlight from your window if you are indoor. So this is a very great option. So window light is a wonderful light source and gives a pretty light on the subject. uh, I think you can use that light. As you can see, I have clear face right now without any noise in my background or my in front of anything. You can see some dust going on the front line, and you can see pretty good light on my face and no noise in the video. So it's a great light combination. If you are using kit lens, then you can use sunlight as a key light. So for now, it's I'm going to shut down right now. So bye.